In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Instagram account to a new phone. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now this can be super useful if you just bought a new device or you just want access to Instagram on more than just one phone. The first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously make sure that both of your devices are connected to the internet and do have Instagram installed. From here, go ahead and log out of Instagram on your old phone. On your old phone, go ahead and open up Instagram and tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner to bring up your settings and activity. Scroll all the way down to this page, and there's going to be an option to log out. Simply go ahead and log out, and then confirm by hitting log out again. Now, on your new phone, go ahead and open up the Instagram app, and what you're going to want to do is enter in your account details, being that username, that email, or that phone number. On top of that, put in your password and then tap login. And after a few seconds, Instagram's going to go ahead and load you back into your new account. And it's going to be transferred and ready to use on that new device. But just like that, you've not successfully moved your Instagram account to another phone. If this video tutorial did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.